Comparatives. We use comparatives to compare two things or two people. For example, Mani is taller than Kate. Comparative adjectives are used to compare two nouns. They tell us how different people, places or things are. Let's have a look at some examples. Tim is younger than Grandpa Paul. Superman is faster and stronger than me. The red armchair is more comfortable than the yellow one. Now let's see the rules to form comparatives. For short adjectives with one syllable, we add er at the end of the adjective. Like in this example, tall becomes taller. Short becomes shorter. Big becomes bigger, with two g. For long adjectives with two or more syllables, we put more in front of the adjective. Like in this example, expensive becomes more expensive. Intelligent becomes more intelligent. Interesting becomes more interesting. Now let's have a look at some exceptions in English. Some comparative adjectives don't follow the usual rules. Like for example, good becomes better. Bad becomes worse. Far becomes further. Many, or much, become more. Little becomes less. For adjectives with two syllables which end in y, we take away the y and add er at the end of the adjective. Like in this example, easy becomes easier. Happy becomes happier.